chug, 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 choo, doo 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 da. Chug, chug, a little toy train, rolling down the track again, round the bends and through the town, up the hill and sliding down. Chug, chug, don't be slow, blow your whistle, off you go. Clickety-clack, the wheels all sing, hear the happy echoes ring, past the trees and tiny moss, over rivers never lost. Chug, chug, hear the sound, joyful music all around. Toot, toot, whistle loud, make the children laugh out proud. Carry teddy dolls and blocks, packed inside your colorful box. Chug, chug, full of cheer, bringing smiles far and near. Through the tunnel dark and wide, little lights glow from inside, out again to sunny skies, sparkling bright before our eyes. Chug, chug, shining bright, daytime fun and nighttime light. Red and yellow, blue and green, prettiest train we've ever seen, spinning wheels that dance along, keeping time like a happy song. Chug, chug, clap your hands, ride along to magic lands. When the day is almost done, after all the games and fun, slowly now you start to rest, quiet time you love the best. Chug, chug, soft and low, home again so gently go. Dream, dream, little toy train, soon you'll wake and play again. Morning comes, you'll start anew, with your whistle toot, toot, toot.